Yeah. So what is, if capturing the attacker or attacking the attacker is not possible, run away is not possible, blocking is not possible, call for help is not possible, all four ways are not possible, there is a way that Riddhi can manage her security. There is a fifth way. Fifth, how she will manage. Come on, any one of you. You are not thinking on your toes.
Sir,
Yes.
attacking, set up a trap.
काय काय
Set up a trap.
हे दोघांनी नका बोलू, एक मिनिट थांबा जरा, एक मिनिट थांबा. इरा बोल.
सर काहीतरी पिंजरा सेट करायचा.
Different piece of attacker.
एकूण एकच झालं, अटॅकच करतो. अटॅक करणं हा पहिलाच आहे. पहिला तत्व काय, अटॅक करणं. अटॅक द अटॅकर. आणि सेटअप अ ट्रॅप जे आहे ना, तो देखील एक प्रकारे ट्राय हेच आहे. तो जास्त वेळ, जास्त वेळ लागणार. काय 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 म्हणते?
Different piece of attacker.
Defend piece of attacker. I am not asking you about chess. I am asking about Riddhi.
जनरल लाईफ.
You think that way. If you are able to think that way, you will be able to play chess better. You have to save yourself. You think instead of Riddhi, you are there.
Sir,
Yes, Dev.
just by taking her to your home and treating her.
You are 50% right. See, the idea behind is correct. The idea is behind is correct. You were not able to explain it properly. That's all. I understood that. What he is saying.
सर पण चेस मध्ये कसं करू शकतो ते?
राजा असं काय करतोस? मी कशाला आहे मग? Bribe. What he is saying is a bribe. You offer him something so that him or her, now here is Durga, and Durga likes chocolates. So what Riddhi will do? Riddhi will offer her 3 chocolates and save the day for her. So simple. Save her. Save herself. Are you getting it? It is a bribe. Bribe means what? You offer something in lieu of yourself, instead of yourself. कि तुम ये ले लो, अभी मुझे छोड़ो. Which is common sense. So in chess, if, see here, if this has come to kill this and you want to save this, you can save by putting it over here. What you have done, you are offering this pawn to take this. So pawn will take this, then you have saved this. It's a common sense. You understood, Ranvir? How it is possible? See, everything which I am telling you is applicable in chess. Your day-to-day life is applicable in chess. And chess is applicable in your day-to-day life. Do not forget that. That is why we are learning chess. Now, इसने अच्छा बोला देव ने, उसको घर में खाना खाने के लिए बोल दो. जो अगर नॉनवेज खाने वाले हैं तो उसको चिकन या कुछ तो ऑफर करो, मस्त फिश पॉपलेट वगैरह कुछ तो ऑफर करो. और वेज वाला है तो उसको वेज बिरयानी ऑफर करो, गुलाब जाम ऑफर करो. वो खुश हो जाएगा और आपको मारेगा. That is the way. Fine, fantastic, Dev. Now, supposing this is not possible, offering him is not possible. क्योंकि आपने अगर उसे घर में बुलाया तो आपकी मम्मी बोलेगी क्या मुझे पूछे बगैर बुलाया, मुझे टाइम नहीं है ये सब गुलाब जाम वगैरह करने के लिए. आई कैन नॉट डू इट.
चपाती नाही करणार आता.
मैं नहीं करूंगी, खत्म. तो आपका तो गया था, फिर तकलीफ तो हो गई आपको. Then what you will do? Now again imagine the situation. You are stuck up in the garden. Your enemy is coming. You can see enemy is coming and there is no escape for you. You cannot, even if you offer the bribe, there is no possibility that he will accept. He just want to capture you, thrash you. I'm not saying kill you, I'm saying capture you or thrash you, beat you. Then what you will do, if all the above 5 methods are not available to you, what you will do? Now this everybody has to think, considering they are in that predicament, in the problem, and how they will save themselves. Yes, Ira, you want to say something? You are showing your hand.
Sir,
Yes, Dev.
we can first we can talk politely and take her to her own home, and then in front of mother complain.
It is coming under support. So ultimately, you are taking support of his mother or your mother. So what you are saying is a Mandavli. But again, that is mixed with that bribe. That is Mandavli. Kuch le lo, kuch de do.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, ask for forgiveness.
Ask for
Forgiveness.
sorry. Forgiveness is afterwards. पहले तो पहले दो चाटा मारने वाला, बाद में जो भी forgiveness वो बाद में. Come on, Durga, I am expecting from you. Yes, yes, Didi. Samia, I am expecting from you.
So we will tell, please leave me, and we will tell what you want, we will give you.
That is bribe. That is the fifth method. He will say that I want your these chicks only and I am going to slap. You give me. Then what you will do? Everybody, look here. While growing up, you must have heard many stories from your grandparents or parents. In that story, you must have heard about Raja Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Have you heard, everybody?
Yes.
Or Rana Pratap. Those who are from North India, they must have heard about Rana Pratap. So what stories you have heard, whether they were having much army with them? Nothing. They were not having those things with them, but still they fought
Guerrilla
well
warfare.
with a bigger army. Still they fought perfectly, successfully. Successfully.
With the help of guerrilla
With
warfare.
their brain with them. And particularly Shivaji Maharaj, he invented one particular way of fighting. That is, in English, it is called as a guerrilla war. In Marathi,
Ganimi Kawa.
we say Ganimi Kawa. In English, we call guerrilla war. Okay. Now, what is the connection of that guerrilla war over here, Chase? And how we can apply? But for that, I'll have to tell you the story.
Ma'am, if we have sir, if we only have like 3 to 4 pieces, and the opponent has five to six pieces, so we have to apply guerrilla warfare and win the battle with less pieces.
Okay, good one. But now I am going to tell you one story. Shivaji Maharaj. One story. Yeah. Shivaji Maharaj was once away from Pune. Away from Pune, um, and he uh, got the message through his spies that Pune is being attacked. Pune was his main, uh, what is it called, capital, sort of capital that time,
Yes.
Pune, and Pune was being
It is being invaded.
attacked. The person who was going to attack, he was from कर्नाटक. एक सरदार था आदिल शाह का, वो अटैक कर रहा था पुणे के ऊपर. अभी उसको बचाने के लिए क्या करने का, अभी यहाँ से वो जहां पर थे शिवाजी महाराज, वहां से उनको पूना जाने के लिए तो काफी टाइम लगेगा. तब तक तो पूना में बहुत वो तकलीफ दे देंगे, तकलीफ दे देंगे.
ललिता पाठवायचा.
जाने के लिए टाइम लगेगा ना, खलीदा भी जाने के लिए. So what he did, it's a fantastic thing. There are in fact two incidents in his life. One is when his father was captured, and one is this for which I am telling you. I think that was Bahlul Khan or something. I don't remember the name.
Bahadur Khan.
What he did, you know, it's a fantastic idea he did. Instead of saving his Pune, he attacked the village of that Sardar. Now you imagine, Sardar is out of his village, out of his Jahagir where he was staying, out of his house, to attack Shivaji's house. And what Shivaji did, instead of saving his house, because it was not possible, he attacked that Sardar's house. जब सरदार को पता चला, अरे यार मैं तो इसे मारने के लिए जा रहा हूं और उधर मेरा घर जल रहा है, मैं इसे मार भी पाऊंगा लेकिन घर में आऊंगा तो यहाँ पर घर जला रहेगा. So what he did, he went back, he turned back to save his own house first. पहले मेरा खुद का घर बचाऊंगा, बाद में इसको मारूंगा. And Pune got saved. Similar example was there. Similar example, his father was captured by Vizapur, Adil Shah, Afzal Khan and Adil Shah. They made a plot and they captured Shahaji Raje, Shivaji Maharaj's father. And they sent a message to Shivaji. You want your father? You give up everything what you have taken. Otherwise we will kill you.
36 forts.
No, not that. Only 2-3 forts. It was quite in the beginning. He was hardly 17-year-old that time, Shivaji. Then how to go and save his father? What he did? Absolutely beautiful idea. Means stunning idea. He applied to Aurangzeb, who was a bigger king that time. Bigger than Adil Shah. And he said, me and my father both will come under you and we will work for you. And the message went to Adil Shah that we are now working for Aurangzeb. So what happened? Aurangzeb sent a separate letter to Adil Shah, said, what you are doing with my men? You cannot touch them, they are my men. If you touch them, I am going to trash you. ये तो ऐसी वाली बात हो गई ना कि आपने बताया, आपको तो यहाँ पर हम लोग एग्जाम्पल रहे रिद्धि और दुर्गा का. तो रिद्धि को बचाने के लिए क्या होगा, रिद्धि बोलेगी देखो मेरी बड़ी बहन है, तू आज मेरे को मारेगी ठीक है, लेकिन कल मेरी बड़ी बहन आके तेरे को मारने वाली है कल. तो दुर्गा खबर जाएगी, या शी विल टेक अ फोन कॉल, एक फोन करेगी और उसके फ्रेंड को बोलेगी, समिया को बोलेगी, समिया एक काम कर, वहां दुर्गा की एक फ्रेंड रहती है ईरा, जाके उसको दे धनाधन ईरा को. तो दुर्गा जाएगी बचाने के लिए ईरा को और मैं यहाँ पर बच जाऊंगी. सो दिस इज व्हाट गनिमी कावा, और दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज काउंटर अटैक. काउंटर अटैक on a different, उसका divert the attention. You can say divert the attention by counter attacking. यहाँ पर in this example इसको सेव करना है, तो इसको सेव करना है तो counter attack is this. See, now you kill this. Sorry, you kill this. I kill this. और इसके ऊपर अटैकिंग करना है तो दिस, यू किल दिस, आई किल दिस, ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. ये यहां पर नहीं है, यहां पर. You understood this? So in chess, when you are getting equal points, I am saying please note it properly, points, then it is called as save. ये तो नॉर्मल सेव नहीं है कि उसने मेरे गाल के ऊपर एक चाटा मारा और मैंने भी एक मारा तो मुझे तो लगने ही वाला है ना, तो वो सेव नहीं है. मैंने गाल के ऊपर का चाटा तो सेव नहीं किया, लेकिन उसके साथ मैंने भी एक खींच कर दे दिया. सो दैट इज वी कॉल इट एज इक्वलिटी. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? All these 6, there is no 7th way, 6 ways. So our question is what you are losing. Yes, I am losing something, then you can save this 6 different ways, any one of the following methods, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now I will simply repeat. Durga, please note it. First is capture, second is run away, third is block. Use numbering is little different. Third is block, and fourth is call for help. Fifth is bribe, and sixth is counter attack. Okay. Now
Sir,
why
can you tell again the bribe again?
bribe means you have to offer something different so that the attention is diverted. I have shown you, na?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sir.
You offer him. He will take this. This
Can
is.
you tell the second one?
Pardon?
So can you tell the second?
First is capture the attacker. Second is run away.
Run away.
Third is block. Fourth is call for help. Fifth is bribe. Sixth is counter attack. Now, why this particularly I have said 1, 2, 3? Why not first is second and second is first? Or why not fourth is third and third is fourth? There is a reason behind it. First 3 means capture the attacker always comes first. Then run away, then block. Always you will find that this way if you go, you will be more benefited. This is out of experience. And first 3 are used, only first 3 are used when there is a king under attack. King को support देके कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, king तो मरने वाला है. So call for help is not, bribe is also not there. King मरने वाला है, bribe देके क्या करेगा? King तो मरेगा ही. King has maximum importance. And counter attack भी चलेगा नहीं. यहाँ पर king मर रहा है तो क्या counter करेंगे? पहले king को बचाएंगे. So that is why first 3 are more important, and only those 3 are there for king. King cannot use next 3. Or you can not. Yes, Riddhi.
But so what is counter attack?
Counter attack means सामने वाला एक जगह अटैक कर रहा है तो आप उसके पीसेस के ऊपर दूसरी जगह अटैक करो. That is we call it as a counter attack. उसने पॉन के ऊपर अटैक किया, आप उसके नाइट के ऊपर अटैक करो. उसने नाइट पर किया, आप भी उसके थोड़े और ऊपर वाले पीस पर अटैक करोगे तो वो आपका नाइट छोड़ेगा और उसको बचाने के लिए भागेगा. That is counter attack. So you understood this 6 methods and first 3 for king. Now, in our question, original question, there was 2 options, yes and no. So I had given the answer for yes and all combinations. Now what is no? No, you are not losing anything. So go to second question. And second question will be, what am I getting? Second question is, what am I getting? Now, to this question, again, there is answers, 2 answers, yes and no. 2 answers, yes and no. So for first answer, yes, I am getting something. Then, if getting something, then take it, मिल रहा है तो ले लो. If, take it, if one of the following condition is satisfied. मैं कुछ कंडीशंस देता हूं, वो कंडीशंस रहेगी तो आपको लेना है, नहीं तो नहीं लेना है. And if the answer is no, then you go to question number 3. Now what are the conditions? If the answer is yes, then there are conditions. You should always think of those conditions and then you should act. Number 1, is, if you are getting free, common sense, you take it. सत्यनारायण की पूजा में आप कभी जाते हो, पंडाल में हो, तो वहां पर वो प्रसाद है, वो फ्री मिलता है ना, तो आप लेंगे ही लेंगे ना. थोड़ी बोलेंगे नहीं चाहिए प्रसाद, तो प्रसाद ले लेंगे, ऊपर से बोलेंगे थोड़ा और दे दो, और वो खा के आएंगे ना. ऐसे वो पीस मिल रहा है तो ले लो. फैंटास्टिक. So first condition is, if you are getting free, you take it. Second condition, if equality is there, equality, or you are getting more than opponent, something more, क्योंकि आपने अगर नाइट दे दिया और नाइट के बदले में आपको सामने वाले का बिशप और एक पॉन मिल रहा है, तो आप ले लेंगे, क्योंकि बिशप और पॉन मिलके 4 पॉइंट हो रहा है और आपका नाइट जाएगा तो 3 पॉइंट हो रहा है. So 3 points against 4 points, it is your profit, so you take it.
1 point lead.
So if you are getting more points, or even if it is equal, you can take it. If you are getting more points, you take it. And if you are getting equal points, you can take it. Now there is a third condition, and which is really difficult to understand. But I am going to tell you that condition. I don't know how far you will understand this. अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन बाद में तो अंडरस्टैंड होगा ही आपको. At this juncture, you won't be able to understand. Perhaps Samia and Durga will be, or Himanshi will be. If you are getting a better position, and even if you are losing more points,
It is better.
or gaining positional advantage, you can take it. You take it then. लेकिन वो समझने के लिए ये एक्सचेंज करने के टाइम आपको पोजिशनल एडवांटेज मिल रहा है कि नहीं ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा पहले। वो समझने के लिए व्हाट इज पोजिशनल एडवांटेज ये पहले समझना पड़ेगा कि एक सर्टेन पोजीशन जो है वो अपने लिए अच्छी रहती है, सामने वाले के लिए बुरी रहती है। तो ये जो पोजिशनल एडवांटेज है ना, ये आपको समझाने के लिए मुझे आपसे एक 10-12 गेम जब हम खेलेंगे ना एक दूसरे के साथ, तब मैं बता सकता हूँ व्हाट इज पोजिशनल एडवांटेज। इट विल टेक टाइम। So first two are very easy to remember. If it is free, you take it. If you are getting more point, you take it. If you are getting less point, whether you will go for it. No, not at all. Why settle for less points? इक्लेयर का भाव जो है ना, इक्लेयर दुकान में ना 1 रुपीज को मिलते हैं. So if you give 5 rupees to your shopkeeper, shopkeeper gives you 5 eclairs. So if he gives 6 eclairs, will you take it? Yes. And if he gives you 4 eclairs, will you take it?
No.
No.
No. So why go for less? Common sense. और इक्लेयर लेने को ले जाएगा और क्या आइसक्रीम मिलेगा तो सब लोग खाएंगे ना. So it is possible. Sometimes opponent makes a mistake और वो इक्लेयर बचाने के लिए जाता है और वो आइसक्रीम दे दे आपको. ऐसा होता है कभी कभी. So here those examples and all that I will give you on Wednesday. Where Wednesday we will continue the class. So that is why I told you today's class is very important. Perhaps you would like to listen it again. We haven't played, but we learned.
Time up झाला.
Yeah, we learned a lot today, and all these things we are going to apply. We are going to apply. You keep your book ready, open every time. You will find that I am applying the same rules again and again. And one who doesn't follow these rules, basic rule, 2 questions, गए भैंस पानी में. You understood this, everybody? दुर्गा, तुझे काय लिहिलेलं आहेस त्याचा फोटो काढून तुला पाठवायचा आहे. बघू तुझं अक्षर कसं आहे जरा दाखव स्क्रीनवर. जवळनं दाखव ना, थोडं लांबनं दाखवून काय दिसणार आहे. हा ठीक आहे. कर्स्यू आहे का बाळा? कर्स्यू आहे, थोडस कर्स्यू आहे.
हो सर.
हा बरं.
सर माझा 100% कर्सिव आहे.
नको नको कर्स्यू नको. कर्स्यू पटकन कळत नाही ना सगळ्यांना. सेपरेट हँडरायटिंग.
सर ते नॉर्मल मला लिहायला नाही येत.
ठीक आहे, मग तसं तुझ्याकडे वेळ असला तर तसं छान कागदावर लिही आणि मग त्याचा फोटो काढून पाठव. सगळ्यांना मिळेल ते आणि सगळ्यांना शांतपणे वाचता पडेल. तुला माहिती आहे का कर्स्यू हँडरायटिंग 10वीला आम्हाला गेल्यानंतर आम्हाला आमच्या टीचरने सांगितलं कर्स्यू नका लिहू, का तर जो पेपर तपासतो त्याला ते नीट वाचता नाही आलं तर तुम्हालाच मार्क कमी मिळतील. त्यामुळे आम्हाला कर्स्यू येत असताना देखील आम्हाला साधा हँडरायटिंग काढायला लावलं 10th मध्ये. आता माहित नाही आताची कंडिशन काय आहे. पण anyway, that is
हो
not-
सर आता पण तसंच आहे.
ठीक आहे. सो एव्हरीबडी लाईक टुडे
आता पण तसंच आहे.
आज आपण बिचाऱ्या रिद्धीला किती शिक्षा केली. सारखी ती दुर्गा येत होती आणि त्या रिद्धीला फटके देत
सर
होती.
सर आपण गुगल मीट वर कधी जिओ मीट वर कधी करणार?
करून अजून त्यांचं रेकॉर्डिंग सुरू नाही झालं बाळा. मी वाट बघतोय रेकॉर्डिंगची. पण बघूया. दुर्गा तू जिओ मीट घेतलंस?
हो सर.
बस नाही तर सगळ्यांकडे जिओ मीट आहे. प्रयत्न करू आपण, प्रयत्न करू बुधवारी जिओ मीट. मी तुम्हाला जर का जिओ मीटचा आयडी पाठवला समजा व्हॉट्सअपवर तर जिओ मीटवर या, आणि तो नाही पाठवला तर
ID sir?
हो सेम सिमिलर. एक आयडी असेल आणि एक पासवर्ड असेल. दॅट्स ऑल.
तर सेम आयडी ठेवा ना 2628836716.
तो आयडी त्यांच्याकडनं जनरेट होतो असं मला वाटतं.
अच्छा अच्छा.
आयडी त्यांच्याकडे जनरेट होतो, पासवर्ड आपण ठेवू शकतो. ते बघतो मी
Sir,
कसं
on
काय.
GeoMe, recording is there, sir, on GeoMe.
रेकॉर्डिंग प्रीमियमला अवेलेबल आहे, प्रीमियम व्हर्जन. नॉर्मल व्हर्जन जे बीटा व्हर्जन आहे त्या बीटा व्हर्जनला अवेलेबल नाहीये आणि ते प्रीमियम व्हर्जन.
सर मी दोन्ही डाउनलोड केले.
प्रीमियम पण
हो.
ओके, पण प्रीमियम चालू झालं तुला किती पैसे भरायला लागले?
पैसे नाही, नॉर्मल फ्री मध्ये मिळालं.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, मग ठीक आहे, मी ते पण बघू.